Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my 24th birthday vlog. So it was my birthday on the 23rd of Feb, and so I vlogged my birthday, and I thought I made like a nice vlog, but when I sat to edit it, like it was a really short vlog, so I thought I should shoot like an intro for it. And so here it is. Welcome to my 24th birthday vlog, and let's start the vlog.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shreya. Happy birthday to you.
मम्मीच बर्थडे तर झाडू मारावं लागेल
मारावं लागेल ना, प्रश्नच नाही.
अरे यार. हाय गाइस, सो हम पीछे के मेस को इग्नोर कर रहे हैं और नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू शेव माई आईब्रोज. ये मुझे कल करना चाहिए था बट मैं भूल गई करना, सो आई एम गोइंग टू डू इट नाउ. सो लेट्स डू दैट फर्स्ट एंड देन गेट रेडी. So first I'm gonna wash my face with this Himalaya face wash. You can see it's almost over, and I love this face wash, so I'm gonna take a decent amount from it. So I posted a video of eyebrow shaving on my channel. You can check it out. I will give a link. Hey, so as you guys saw, I shaved my face and my skin feels really smooth now. I didn't really did like properly. I just did ऊपर से. So अभी बज रहे हैं 11 बज रहे हैं और मुझे 11:30 तक निकलना है. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना टेक अ बाथ एंड गेट रेडी. सो आई विल सी यू व्हेन आई एम रेडी. लेट्स गो. और फिर मम्मी ने बहुत ही टेस्टी नाश्ता बनाया है, सो वो भी खाएंगे. सो लेट्स गो. वैसे मुझे मेकअप तो करना आता नहीं है, बट आई एम गोना डू अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ मेकअप. I don't have any fancy stuff like foundation and concealer. I'm using a BB cream. मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा ही ले लिया. So I'm gonna apply the lipstick later because अभी मुझे नाश्ता करना है. सो पहले खाते हैं. Let's go. मम्मी नाश्ता बनला का?
नाही.
11:15 बज गए. अरे धूप ही नहीं आ रही. जल्दी नाश्ता बनाओ. So this is how my makeup looks now, guys. Very basic and I like it. देखो कौन आया है हमारे घर पे।
दीदी स्माइल, दीदी स्माइल। ये माझी
काय आणलं तू? अरे बापरे, स्पेशल थाली काय आहे? स्पेशल थाली मध्ये तुमच्या सांगा.
दाणे आणि खाया
लाह्या
लाया ॲपल
आणि
चॉकलेट.
थँक्यू.
डेंजर शार्क्स व्हिडिओज.
So guys, I'm back home and I'm super tired and my legs are hurting very badly, and I had lots of fun with my friends. So now I'm home and I don't have anything planned right now, but we'll see how it goes. And when I came back, I brought Anvi with me. So you know her if you have seen my previous vlogs, birthday vlogs or any of my vlogs. She's always there in my videos. She's my neighbor and she used to live in our building. Yeah, that's the update. And now my sister and we went to bring back the cake, and I'm talking quietly because my dad is doing puja. I don't know how this vlog is going to be. I know it's going to be a very short vlog, but that's okay. I'm gonna still put this up. So yeah, I'll see you guys once I do something, because right now I'm just going to lay on my bed. That's it. I'll see you later. Wow, thank you.
पण ते तुला ऐकतो नाही काय काय सगळे मिळून घ्यायचा.
हो, मिळून खाऊ.
दीदीला पण देशील.
ओके ओके. हे माझ्या टॉपला मॅच होत आहे बघ. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Shreya. Happy birthday to you. Ah, very good. ये पिज्जा पार्टी. अरे इसमें एक ही पीस है. So our pizza party is done and now we're gonna watch a movie and sleep. So that is it for today's vlog. I hope you guys liked it, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Hi guys, so this is 3 days later, and after my birthday the next day I got sick. Like I drank a lot of coke that day and मुझे सर्दी हो गई, तो so I could not vlog. और मेरे बर्थडे के दिन गजानन महाराज जी का प्रगट दिन था. There was not like a party or celebration at my home because we were celebrating that. I am sweating like anything because I was shooting a video right now. Like I have did like a setup over here with the fairy lights and all. I was sitting on this stool and a pillow, and here's my tripod. I know it's all a mess. You will see that video after this vlog. So I got a few things on my birthday and I wanted to show you in the vlog. That day I was like really tired and I could not show you, so I'm gonna show it to you right now. Let's go. Yeah, let's see the things I got. I forgot it's not here. Where is it? Where did I keep it? Oh yeah, it's in the laptop bag. Wait. So let's see what all I got. So my friend Radha gave me these 2 clips. Really cute. Focused, yeah. These are really cute and I love it. Wait, I'll put on this. Oh. So she gave me this. Radha, if you're watching it, thank you so much for this gift. These are really cute clips. There was also like this cute bow in it. So Thank you so much, Radha. So a friend from school have an Instagram store, small business on Instagram. I bought a few things from her store. And so मेरी friend राधा ने जो मुझे clips दिए थे, I bought similar kind of clips from her Instagram store before my birthday. So I have 4 of them now. So these are the 2 of them I got from a store. These are also really pretty, and I also got a scrunchie in lilac color. I am obsessing over this color recently, so I really like this scrunchie. So this is a really pretty color and it's in the size large, and I got all the 3 like this scrunchie and these 2 clips. I got this, मुझे ये around 125 rupees पड़े, and you should support small businesses, so I thought of getting myself these clips and a scrunchie from her. So she sells a lot of products like night suits and hair accessories and jewelry and stuff like that. You can check out her page on Instagram. I will link that in my description, and I will flash the handle on the screen, so you can check her Instagram account. So if you guys purchase anything from a store, you can get a 5% discount. She was kind enough to let me have a promo code of my own, so you can tell her my code Shreya5, so you will get like a 5% discount on like the total order. Make sure you check out her Instagram store. And yeah,